base box for July. I have what I believe is like 2 or 3 confirmed variations to talk to you guys about, as well as some items that we will be seeing in the July base box. I made the video really long, so I'm refilming the intro for you guys. I'll be coming back and talking about the July premium boxes, what we know, what we're seeing, all of that. So you guys, if you're a hot mess, this is going to be the channel for you. And I'm going to tell you right now, this video, I am just so over the top, and I'm going to I should apologize, but I'm not gonna, because I'm sure you guys don't come here for professionalism, but I do. I am so excited over some of the items we are seeing in these variations, like $25 box, and the retail value of these boxes is insane. So hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe, because like I said, we embrace the hot mess here, because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Join the fam. I upload 6 days a week, 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, and 9 p.m. to get ready with me on Sundays. I also have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, and I'm pretty much doing daily vlogs Monday through Friday over there. It's a bunch of random craziness. You get to see this crazy hot mess in action majority of the time in my PJs. So anyways, guys, I talk about what is on my face a little bit later in the video, and if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below for you guys. And let's go ahead and jump into all these spoilers. Okay guys, so as far as the base box go for Boxycharm, it is a $25 a month box plus tax, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies. Now in this box, you do get to customize one item in your box, so you automatically are going to know that particular item. Now the first item you had to choose from was the 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. The next item was the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Or you could have chosen the Babe Lash Serum. Now, like I said, you customized this, and I will tell you guys, the first one to go was the Babe Lash Serum. So anyways, let's talk about the first variation that has popped up on the internet and that we have seen. Now, the first full variation, I actually saw this, and I always leave the little like either Instagram handle or Facebook handle on here, because you guys know I search the internet and I want to give credit where credit is due. So looking at Boxy Spoilers over on Facebook, we've got a first variation full box of the base box for July. The first that we see is the Pure Eyeshadow Palette. This is 12 beautiful eyeshadow shades in here, and it's called the Festival 2.0 palette. Now if you guys don't remember, last year we actually got a palette from Pure, which was, I believe, called the Festival palette, and I actually have it right here. It was called the Festival palette. So this palette, absolutely beautiful, has 12 shades in there. You do have some pressed glitters in here, but you have a lot of nice warm shades with a couple pops of colors. So as we see in this particular palette, it is like the 2.0 version. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and I would be very happy to get it, because I feel like Pure Cosmetics is one of those brands that kind of, I feel like, flies under the radar, and not many people talk about them too much, but they actually have really good products. We've seen some before. It was like a complete neutral palette, which I do have in my collection. Oh, by the way, I always try and let you guys know these are from Michaels, not IKEA, and I have them linked and listed for you guys down below. If you do decide to shop that link or shop for these drawers, sign up for Rakuten. I keep that link down below. You guys can actually make money back shopping. Not sponsored, but just throwing it out there. So anyways, the next item we see is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. Now again, this was one of the choice items, so this particular box, if you chose that lash serum, potentially this could be the variation that you will see. Moving on from there, we see the Ciate Linden Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. You guys know I talked about this last week in our sneak peek video, and I was pretty excited about this. We've seen the Vacay Setting Spray, or the Vacay Setting Powder, in past boxes, and it's actually a really good powder. I even use it underneath my eyes with no issues. So excited about that setting spray. Next we see the Fenty Beauty Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but I want to say some people saw this last month in the Luxe box. It doesn't mean it's a guarantee that if you already got it, you're going to get it again. Joe has explained to us that just because we see these items in some people's boxes, that doesn't mean that we're gonna get it if we've already received it. It just means that they haven't personally received it on their account. So I told you guys before, for example, my mom just signed up for Boxycharm, and I think this is going to be her 3rd box that she's received. So some of the items that she saw in her first box were items that I have seen or received, but because she was new to Boxycharm, her account is new, that's why she received those items. So I like to just reiterate to you guys that yes, we may see some of these items, but if you've already received them, they work really hard not to make it a repeat item for you. Next in here, we see the Nude Stix Rockin' Roller Eyeliner. Now, I personally don't know much about this eyeliner, so if you guys do, if you've tried it out, let us know down below what your thoughts were. So that comes out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this particular variation, and honestly, I think this is a really good box. I am excited about that setting spray. I'm excited about that pure eyeshadow palette. It's Fenty Beauty. That stuff's expensive. I'd love to try that out. I'll be honest with you, the one I'm not excited about is the eyeliner, but that's only because I'm not a big eyeliner person. Now let's talk about some more of the sneak peeks that we have seen. Oh my gosh, guys, now I talked about last week the Hourglass scattered lights, okay? So I actually have it on today because I really wanted you guys to see how beautiful it is on the eye, especially if you are mature in age. Don't let these little like scattered lights, glittery types of eyeshadows fool you guys. These look beautiful on no matter what your age is, what your eyelids look like. I'm gonna pop up so you guys can see. Now, as you guys can see, I have like my matte shadows on. It's actually my Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral palette. I'll try and link it below. I actually have a coupon code for you guys, but the shimmer that you guys see, that's the Hourglass Reflect Glitter pot that I have on, and I actually have it in the shade Foil. It's just beautiful gold, and like I always tell you guys, it just melts into the eye. I mean, Hourglass is just beautiful all around. It's one of those makeup brands that no matter what your age is, it does nothing but just like make the skin look absolutely beautiful. Whether you're getting the highlighter, the powder, the foundations, anything looks gorgeous on the skin. So with that being said, we know that we will be seeing one of these. Not a guarantee everybody across the board is going to get it. It's a potential variation. But some of the other items that we have seen is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. You guys, now I've heard amazing things about this pencil, but again, it's Hourglass, so it's expensive. This alone is like a $29 glitter pot. The brow pencil is $34. Now, like I said, when the brow pencil released, I know a lot of people tried it out. They said it was absolutely beautiful. It was really easy to work with, and it is a great brow product. But y'all, I'm not even gonna fib. I use my $6 ColourPop brow pencil and my AOA Studio brow pencil that's $1. So that's the extent of what I spend on my brows. So if you're gonna put an Hourglass brow pencil in my $25 base box, heck to the mother truckin', yeah, because that by itself, that one little item has just done paid for itself and then some. So I was pretty excited to see that that is a possible variation in the base box for July. Moving on to some other spoilers that we have seen. We are seeing all kinds of goodies, guys. We now have seen that Hank and Henry they were doing a live video, and it came across that one of their lipsticks is actually going to be in here, and this lipstick looks so cool. It looks like a glitter, but I believe it goes on as like a satin or a matte, but it is absolutely beautiful. I've got some screenshots that I took from that actual live where there is several different shades. There's like a bright pink, a mauve pink, and then there was a like nude color. And again, we've seen Hank and Henry in the past, and it's good quality products in my opinion. Next is the Ace Beauté or Ace Beaut. These are, I believe they're blush palettes. The one, to me, I kind of feel like depending on the lighting that you see it in, maybe it's a highlight contour kind of palette, but either way, that is something that we'll be seeing in our box. Now, what has me really excited, guys, is the fact that Sol de Janeiro is making an appearance. And I actually saw a box over today on Instagram, and in the box they had a full box and it had the Sol de Janeiro in there with the 111 skin, which I don't know why I'm getting excited, because I don't know what's going to be in my box, because I didn't pick anything, because when you do receive it in PR, a lot of the times they pick for you. So I'm like, please 111 skin, because that, as y'all know, that's what I wanted. I'm sorry I'm getting so excited. Am I? I'm not. I don't want to be a people pleaser. Anyways, guys, I can't help it. I'm excited over this box. From what I see in this particular box, I'm going to pop up over here. Again, I found this on Boxycharm Alert. It looks like two very good size Sol de Janeiro shampoo and conditioners, which I have been wanting to try out so bad. I want to say a piece, they're like $25. And again, this is from Boxycharm subscribers. It's the Ace Beauté blush palette. We see the Sol de Janeiro, the shampoo and conditioner, the 111 skin, the Hola neon liquid lipstick, and the Hourglass eyebrow pencil. You guys, $25 box. $25. If I get this box, I'm gonna freak out. That is, do you guys love how weird I can make things? I just get so flippin' excited. Anywho, let's move on to some other spoilers and a very calm demeanor. We have also seen that Boxycharm is showing us another product that is, oh, I gotta find it. Oh, you guys. Okay, so as I was scrolling, I found another variation, so I'm gonna have to just refilm the intro. As far as another variation that we're going to see in this July base box, we see the Ace Beauté, and I would say this is more of like a bronzer palette, but maybe this is a blush. I go back and forth on that. We do see the Clean Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. We see the Hourglass Scattered Lights product. We also see the Creme, or the Creme brand. It's a highlighter and a nude stick. I do believe, and I could be wrong, but it does look like this is a variation. So this is pretty exciting as well. But I'm still excited over the one with the Sol de Janeiro products. Like, honestly, you just give me the Sol de Janeiro and maybe the Hourglass, I'd be done. I'd be like, yes. Okay, some other brands that we are going to be seeing in here is Studio Makeup. This is the Insurance Cream Eyeshadow. The Ace Beauté, it is actually called the Bronze in Paradise palette. So, I don't know. But they also have the Ace Beauté Blushed in Paradise palette. So it looks like it is called the same palette, but for different skin tones, which is awesome. Like I said, the Hank & Henry Lux Lust Lipstick. Sol de Janeiro, we're going to see the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. Now, this is one of the things where I do believe we've seen this in the past, but it's not guaranteed to be a repeat item. If you are new to Boxycharm, this is a potential item you will be seeing. Grace and Stila Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. It's 12 pair. It does have a retail value of $21, and I love under eye types of patches when you're just like relaxing in the tub or what have you. These are perfect for self-care. The Creme Shop Toasty Cushion Bronzer. Now, this is new to me. This is not one that I knew was going to be a potential for our base box. We did know the Creme Shop Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter was going to be available. We also see the Creme Shop Clean Canvas Color Correcting Cushion Primer, and the Alamar Birthday Suit Lip Gloss is going to be available. I love Alamar. Whether it be the brushes, the lip gloss, the blushers, oh my gosh, Gerard Cosmetics is an amazing brand. We also, like I said, the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm. We've got the Manicadar Lip Whip Face. Now, some of these things I'm not 100% sure, because they're showing the Morphe and Manny MUA products, but I'm like 99% sure that's going to be in a premium. So that is just a few of the items, guys. There's more. We've got the Creme Shop blender set in pink. It's like a light nudie kind of pink. We've got KVD Vegan Beauty brow pencil that some will see, and again, that's something that we've seen in the past. I personally have received it. I was not a fan of it. the Beauty by Pop Sugar Make Waves Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow. We've got the Nude Stix Rock and Roller. You know what this reminds me of? I want to say Matte came out years ago with a roller liner, right? That was Mayak, right? Let me know down below. We've got the Nude Stix Magnetic Matte Lip Color. There is so many different things, different variations and things that we're going to see in our July box. I am so excited for this. I was gonna actually put in premium items as well, but your girl made the video long. So I'll be coming back. I'll be talking more as we find more information out on our premium boxes for July. So before we jump off, guys, real quick, important dates for you guys. July 13th is that add-on day. Early access for premium luxe members as well as waitlist members, and this is where you can jump into your account, and there's not a specific time, but just jump into your account and they actually have a little like button that you can press to get what is it called, like they're going to give you a notification when it does go live. But like I said, early access does open up July 13th for add-ons. Guys, this is when you can get 70% off of all kinds of brands, from Dominique Cosmetics, Hourglass, some items that we will be seeing in the boxes that maybe if you don't receive in past boxes, you can add this on to your item. It does ship separately, but you guys, it is a great way to grow your makeup skincare collection. Even sometimes they have hair care stuff in there as well. Now July 14th, it does open up to everybody else, as well as choices for your base box as well. So definitely make sure to subscribe, because I do come back and post notifications for you guys in the community tab section. I will also be coming back and giving you some more spoilers and reminders to get in there, do your add-ons, make your choices, all of that. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. It is an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do decide to sign up for Boxycharm using my link. I greatly appreciate it. I will look for any type of coupon if you are new to Boxycharm. I'll post it down there. I know in the past they had like a $5 off coupon for your add-ons, so definitely check my description box as well as the pinned post in the comment section below for you guys. I always like you guys to save money as much as you possibly can. Anyways, real quick before I jump off, if you guys are curious about what is on my face, foundation, I do have the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation with the concealer, as well as on my eyes, the Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral Palette. I do have a 10% off coupon code. I don't know if this is sold out. And then, like I said, I do have the Hourglass Scattered Lights in the shade Foil on my eyes. So anyways, guys, there is a full review on the L'Oreal Age Perfect products coming very, very soon. So hopefully you stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!